Welcome to our 1933 Austin 7. Allow me, if you will, to walk and talk around this beautiful car, which I think is probably my favourite of all the classics that are out there. The little Austin 7. It is so cute. I've always liked these, always. And we have one here at Frank's Motor Company. And I'm very excited to be able to talk you through who she is, what she is, and obviously the ever favourite Will and Helen drive round. So let's just have a look at the exterior first, shall we? She has patina because she is nearly 100 years old, so she could probably do with a little bit of paint alteration here and here. Nothing major before you throw your hands up. Nothing major at all. You know, a few stone chips easily sorted out. There, look. But for nearly 100 years old, she is in fine fettle. Look at her. Lovely glass window, you can see inside there. Just lovely. And let's have a look at this steering wheel. I love this steering wheel. Look at that. I think that's an added extra. I think that was a factory fitted thing. But it's quirky. And the dashboard. That. Not many miles. New for nearly 100 years old. And what I always say is classic cars either come as brand new on the inside and needing slight cosmetic work on the outside, or brand new on the outside and a lot of patina on the inside. I think this car is probably neither of those. I think she is stunning all around. And then look what else she comes with. Huge box of documents. This is where I get really excited. Look at this, the Red Cross Spare Service Directory Austin 7. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I don't know when this was published, but half the excitement of buying a classic car is seeing what bump comes with it. And it's usually stuff straight from the time it was bought from, when it was new. So it comes with history as well as the actual car itself. Wow. This, look at this. Oh my goodness me. Wow. 4 months worth of tax. £9.15. Those were the days. 1956 in Buckinghamshire. I love stuff like this so much. Vehicle Excise Act 1949 registration book. Mechanically propelled road vehicle. Look at that, and it's all there and it's all been stamped. Fabulous. I love stuff like this. Should we take her for a test drive? I think we should. Startup procedure from cold. So ignition on, red light comes on, choke out, and then you pull this button here. Amazing! Doesn't she sound nice? Sweet.
Fresh air? Do you want some fresh air?
Yeah, I do. I'm boiling. No way!
Look at that!
Brilliant.
Yeah, that's the aircon on.
Love that. So I naturally went to look for the seatbelt,
Seatbelt.
and there isn't one.
There isn't one. There wouldn't be room. We'd have to share one if there was
No,
one.
I've got all the driving glasses on. Right, okay, so
Yeah.
the pedals are quite close together.
They are.
I've got wide trainers on, so this could be interesting. Woo! See what you mean by it?
Very sharp on the clutch.
Very sharp on the clutch. We're off. We're off and away. I'm driving an Austin 7. Woo! Do you know what? It's nice to drive.
It is, isn't it? It's good, isn't it?
Woo! She's got some poke, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Let's just check the brakes. Check that we can stop safely. Yeah, brakes all good. Get back into second, I think. Off we go. Come on, little Austin. How many gears do we have, Will?
No idea. 4, I reckon.
No idea. Off we go!
Yeah, found a fourth one.
We found a fourth. Oh, cruising, look at this.
Isn't that good for, isn't that marvellous for 90 odd years?
Is
It's
she
that
92
easy.
years old, I think? 1933 she was built. What a fantastic thing this is! Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Should we call into the cafe?
Yeah, we'll go up there, have a look.
Oh, I nearly stalled her. But she held on.
We'll probably need a bottom gear now, I reckon.
Yeah.
Sure, dear mate.
Ooh! If you can't find it, grind it. She's got the beans. What a fantastic thing this is.
Yeah, the speed, all the gauges are working as well.
Yeah. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Woo!
Round the block.
Oh, do you know what? She's handling those bumps really well, isn't
That
she?
is amazing, isn't it?
What a fabulous thing this is. Let's go get a cup of tea, shall we? Amazing.
Fantastic.
Is that
yeah,
the handbrake here?
Yeah, handbrake, yeah.
What a wonderful thing! I just drove in an Austin 7.
Very well, actually.
Life
yeah, it's gone well,
goes.
isn't it? It's actually a hell of a car. I really thought an Austin 7 would be an old shaker and would be horrendously difficult to drive, but it's actually very,
So
very
easy.
good to drive, isn't it?
Easy and
Yeah.
comfortable.
It is comfortable.
And the ease of driving this 92-year-old car, it was like normal. So apparently these were the first mass-produced cars to be made with a clutch, brake and accelerator pedal system that we now know and use today. There you are, a bit of information for you.
And you've got 4 gears,
And we've got 4 gears.
which most of these old things seem to have 3. And they're in the wrong places. But these are all in the right
Yeah,
place.
these are all in the right place.
Marvellous.
Usual H-box. Love
Yeah.
it. So, Will, we've just pulled up at the cafe and I noticed it's got like a sort of squishy roof.
It's
What's
got a
this one?
fabric roof, so it hasn't got a solid roof.
What's that all about?
And I think the early ones actually had fabric bodies as well.
No way!
Yeah, I think so. So this is one of the first solid bodied ones.
Wow.
Can we look in this engine? Little
Yeah.
750.
Let's lift her up. Oh, what a nice little day trip out in her. Look at that.
Little 750cc. Minute engine.
It is minute, but it's got some poke, hasn't it?
Yeah.
For 750cc.
And I suppose it was motoring for the masses, wasn't it, in its day?
That's what it was produced for, wasn't it? It was on par with the Model T in America. So it was Britain's version of the Model T, not in looks or power or running or anything, just because it was mass produced and it was for, like you said, for the masses. So well, here we are at Frank's
Yeah,
Corner
cheers.
after a fantastic drive down. No
Cheers,
knocks, no rattling. It handled the
Nice.
bumps nicely.
Yeah.
Gorgeous little usable classic.
It's a small engine. It actually had a bit of go to
Yeah, it
it.
actually did. It just went. I was like, ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Plucky little car that is. I like it.
Yeah, she's away.
We have movement. I have fallen in love with this thing.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like the Queen.
That suspension's fabulous, isn't it? What a marvellous thing to be driving.
It's grand, isn't it? We have got to stop at the bottom of the drive, you know.
Don't worry. Don't panic. You're panicking back there.
Yeah.
Don't panic.
Brake. Is there a
Don't
brake?
panic.
Oh, there is a brake, isn't
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
good. Oh, this is so easy to drive.
there? It's very good.
92 years old.
Yeah.
Go on, little Austin. Look at that, cruising. Riding along in my automobile. Ding, 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 doo. Me and my baby at the wheel. Ding, 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 doo. Oh, yeah. We managed. That's a bit too slow now. Oh, in second, beautiful. There we are.
Well done, we're back.
We are back. Do you know, you can't go wrong with it.
No, I can't believe how lovely it is. It really is again. I just never dreamt something so vintage, so old and so basic could be so good.
And so there you have it, our gorgeous little Austin 7 available here at Frank's Motor Company in Colchester. Also on www.franksmotorcompany.co.uk. Come and see us and have a look around this beautiful little British icon.